Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Just Because box from Natural Jules. This is a monthly all-natural bath, body, beauty subscription. Basically, it's all... Natural Jules is an online retailer of handmade body products. And this is all their own line, okay? So now, first of all, you're going to be like, oh, I hate, these boxes that come out with their own lines. They're like, they're always like redundant. They feel like they're giving you the same products. This box is not like that. I assure you, I promise you. This is like one of the only boxes like that comes from like its own company, like a retail brand in Bath and Body that does not feel like it's just sending you the same product. They're just amazing. They're themed for the season. They do offer a mini box, which is $16.95, that has 3 mini products from them. Then there's the full-size box, which is $29.95 and has 3 full-size products from them. I can smell this. It smells amazing. This is, I believe, their January box, but I'm not certain. We're going to find out together. These are awesome. Their products are really good, and the things they put in these boxes you can't buy in their online store, so they're like exclusive to the box, which I think is really neat. And a lot of times they add in like a little extra item, which just makes it better. Like I got a bagoo. Is it on my door? Oh, it's on the inside of my closet door. They sent a bagoo. It was amazing. All right, so on the back here, they have all the items that we received. We're not gonna look. I was just seeing if it said January or what. I was not peeking. We're not gonna look until we're done, okay? Unless we have to. So there's the inside of the box. Oh my goodness, yay! All right, so I love florals, and when I was a kid, now I don't use it as much as I've gotten older, because you can't really find it. Bath and Body Works used to have an incredible Gardenia body wash. Does anybody remember that? So they don't make it anymore. Like, you cannot find it. Oh, it just has this, like, I want to say pearls. Do you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't smell like pearls. Pearls have no smell. But there's something like creamy, amber, but also like clean, very clean about it. Apply a dime size amount to palm and massage into skin. I think it's a typo. But anyway, it was wrapped, but you can see it's like over full. This is like one of my favorite scents. Oh, and this one, their stuff is just so good. So there is what the product looks like. Oh gosh, do you not? I just love this scent. I'm so glad I got this. I'm not a huge lotion person, you guys know that, but I will be using this, buddy. You are crazy if you think I'm not. Oh my gosh, this is like immediately going onto my bedside, like for after I get out of the shower and go to bed. Oh heck yes, Sonny. Okay, so there's that. Oh my gosh, that smell. And it's not over. Sometimes florals, and you guys know, like, I don't know, maybe I'm the only one. Scents can give you a headache. They can be overwhelming. They can be overpowering. That is not, it's not light. You can definitely smell it, but it's not like, it's not making me feel ill. Some of them do. Ooh, what's this? What is this? Ooh, it's an earth pop. It's an earth pop. Oh my, or yum pop, or whatever they're called. Yum earth. That's it. Organic. This is a perfectly peach. My kids actually, when we went to Texas for Christmas, my brother-in-law's girlfriend was making cotton candy, and she had brought a whole bunch of yum earth. Like, that's how she was sweet. It was like very cool, kind of, organic. So those are good. All right, then we've got some little tchotchkes. Natural Jules Herbal Mint Lip. What's going on with my mouth? What's going on here? Herbal Mint Lip Butter. Oh, there's directions. Apply liberally to your lips. Apply balm. Goodness, girl. Liberally to your lips as often as needed, particularly in dry. And then it cuts off, sort of. So it's made with beeswax, soybean oil, sunflower oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, aloe vera gel, and vitamin C. I'm probably in the, I'm thinking this is going to be amazing because their products just are. And it's green. Look. How cool is that? It's going to be minty. I don't want to open it though because I have like 7 open lip things. Then we have a Natural Jules Mango Body Butter. This is a sample. Ew. I was thinking maybe it's the mini box, but it's not. There's 3 full size, and then there's the little samples, which I think is neat. Ooh, this smells so much like mango. Oh my goodness. I'm not like a huge fruity like scents, but if you're into that, no, not that it's bad. It smells wonderful. But I just, you know, like when it comes to my skin, I don't really want fruit all over me all day. I don't really like it in my house. That's me though. My kids love it. They'll spray like that nectarine spray, and I'm like, girl, you put on way too much. This smells really good, and it's super nourishing, like thick for after shower. Their body butters, amazing. Oh, everything they make, amazing, everything. All right, so we have, what do we have here? What do we have? We have a hemp seed oil bar soap. Ooh, I'm going to have to read the paper and see what this is good for. I know that hemp seed is good for lots of things, probably to, like, it looks like a glycerin, like oily soap, so probably for like moisturization. So this is a shower soap. I have two ways I think of soap. One is your decorative, like smell good soap that you put in your bathroom where your guests come. And the other ones are these big old honkin' bars that you put in your shower to like actually keep your skin nourished and nice. So this is a 5-ounce bar. It's a big, their bars are different. They're actually like more, I want to say they're thicker and they're like shorter than a normal bar, but it's about the same amount. Okay, finally guys, down here at the bottom. Ooh, look at this. See, this is what I mean. It's always different. There's never like the same. It never feels redundant because they really shake it up. This is the Breathe Easy Dead Sea Bath Salt. This place a quarter of a cup in warm hot bath water, soak and relax. That's it. It just contains Dead Sea salt, Epsom salt, eucalyptus essential oil, and that's it. This is huge too. It's 11 ounces, so it's over half a pound of salt. I love taking a bath with salt. If I don't have a bath bomb on hand, I try to shake it up because the salt in these are good for like your magnesium levels. They help with like anxiety, stress. I don't know if you know that. That's why they say a relaxing bath. The salt in the bath actually works to relax you. It's a thing. Isn't that amazing? So let's look at the thing here. Our bar soaps are made in small batches, ensuring a high quality product. This soap bar is made of an goat milk soap base, making it very smooth and creamy. It's blended botanicals and fragrance oils for an aromatic experience. Bath salt. This is a mix of Epsom salt, Dead Sea salt, and eucalyptus. This salt will open nasal passages to clear congestion. In addition, the soap will detoxify, relax muscles, ease the mind, and soften skin to perfection, baby. Lip butters are a perfect alternative to commercial lip balms. This lip butter is a combination of soybean oil, beeswax, sunflower oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, aloe vera gel, and vitamin E to give lips a soft, supple feel. And then the body conditioner, which is my favorite product. I have to say, I'm just so stoked to have this. All right, a blend of natural oils and butters. This body condition is a light mix of will deeply, because I can't read, moisturize for the softest, supple skin, most supple skin imaginable. So that is everything that I received in my Natural Jules box for, I'm just going to say this is the February box. I'll have to check for sure once I'm done. This box is incredible. $29.99. You're getting so many nice body products, and they're all just so wonderful. So wonderful. If you like a really wide variety of body products, this is the one for you. I would highly suggest it. I'm going to link to them below. I'll also link to my full blog review. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!